Ready for racing, race number 2. Racing Jesse started with Magdapio, South Apo, rushing up to take the lead. Brother Song, then comes Rivers of Gold. The next online Dream Supreme, while Directors Hunter raced the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have South Apo by about 3 lengths, and in second now is Rivers of Gold. The next online Magdapio, Brother Song comes next, Dream Supreme, while Directors Hunter is still racing in last. Back to the leader, we have South Apo by about 2 lengths, Rivers of Gold in second, Magdapio, Brother Song, Dream Supreme, while Directors Hunter is still in last. And at the fourth turn, we have South Apo by 1 length and a half. Rivers of Gold remains in second. Magdapio, Brother Song now rushing upon the outside. Then comes Dream Supreme, and Directors Hunter is still in last. And Diana entering the home stretch. South Apo, Rivers of Gold, Brother Song, Magdapio is down on the inside. For runners fighting it out for the lead. Magdapio now takes the lead. And on the outside now is Brother Song. Brother Song now takes the lead. Magdapio, Rivers of Gold, Brother Song, Magdapio, Brother Song, and finally it's a close finish. Magdapio, Brother Song, Rivers of Gold, South Apo, Dream Supreme, then comes Rivers.
Okay, bayang karilista for race number 2, our unofficial winner, ito nga pong numero 2, Magdapio with Dan El Campañero at